Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a system or method which you can convert more sales or you will get more lead at CP or affiliate marketing. And this is the very secret method and this is the very first method to get you earning from today. So I think you will enjoy my video and you will follow my video from till to from A to Z. So let's get started. I will start to the CPA network. Its name is Fmine. If you have any network like Fmine, CPA Glitch or Amazon affiliate, anything. If you have any network, then you can start your work. Or if you don't have any network, then go to my description link. Here you get your link. Just apply and you will get approved and just promote your offers and different social media and you'll get earning. So today method, I think you will get you earning at least 100 to 200 USD per day. Per day. So let's get started and I will show you the technique. So first, today I will show you the AppMine offer. I will select the AppMine offer and I will promote at the pininterest.com. So go to the AppMine. It's my selected CPA network. You can also join here from a description link. Or if you have any CPA network, then you can start with one. I do the login. Here I will go at offers. I have to select it offers, some offers. Yes, you get a lot of offers here, which you need. Just select from here. I can select one offer which will convert more, like all device will be working like that. I have to select. I can select Walmart 750 offer. This offer I can select. It's Canada base. Okay, let me choose US base. I can select this offer. Food product tester. Okay, work from home Netflix. I can choose this offer. Okay. Okay, this offer I can choose. No problem. Everything is fine. Spending here. Okay. I think this offer will be convert more. So that's why I selected this. And you have to download this picture, or you can edit, uh, or you can add a new pictures. Okay. You can edit or you can make new pictures. So then go to the pininterest.com. I think you already know about the Pinterest. This is my account. It's my new account. So here nothing we say about it. I already post one also. So let me post another. Then go to the create new pin, this option. Create pin. It will convert more if you post daily 5 to 10 daily at here. You will get more converted. So upload this picture which I downloaded. It's small size. Follow the Pinterest size. Okay, it will convert more. If you follow the Pinterest size, which may be 1000 pixel to 115,000 pixel is picture size. So you have to edit and paste here. So then go to the add here title, the product title. Okay, this is the product title. Paste here, or paste here. Yes, sir. US offer. You can write here US. Then add order text. You have to add order text. It's very important for like SEO. You know, website SEO, YouTube video SEO. This is the one kind of SEO at order text. If someone starts gets that 250, then your product will appear on him and it will show automatically on him. It's very important. This is very important order text. You must be add here. So where you will get your order text, I have also technique. Go to the one website. Its name is talktools.com. Here you'll get all your text easily. So just paste here your main name and which country you want to convert. I want to convert it USA. Then just select it here USA and go to the findhashtag.com. Okay, you already seen that it's very searchable at the USA. So that's why they show it you. Just copy from here and go to here the pin interest and add here. Yeah, already worked. Now I have to paste here the affiliate link, which will be convert. So while I'll get affiliate link, it is the affiliate link which will convert. You'll get money from if anyone will be do email submit, you will get 2.10 USD. So don't do anything. One thing is that don't paste here the full link. Okay, your account will be banned. Don't promote the direct affiliate link. Your account will be banned. The shorten here, and which short link will be work. I am also will guide you. Don't every short link will not work at the Pinterest. One short link will be used. I found it and I searches it. Its name is Curtly. It is working on the Pinterest. Other it will not work. Your account will be banned. So don't do that. Just follow my video which I am working. Okay. Otherwise your account will be you will get banned from the Pinterest. So I already got my short link. Then paste here. So okay. Then copy. Then paste here. Yeah, okay. So my post already ready to upload. Then I have to go the option at publish option. Go to the publish option. I think you'll get more conversion, 100 to 200 USD daily if you work hard or if you give time about it. So I think our post already posted, and I will get convert if anyone will go to my link and they will follow the system or do email submit. Okay, just follow my video. Always follow my video. I think you will get a lot of passive income if you follow my video. And for today, thank you very much, and subscribe my channel and always support me to upload this type of videos. Thank you very much for enjoying the video.